Welcome to Understanding Bandas. Locks of the body. There are 5 of them. And through all of your yoga you've taken, I know you've heard Mula Bandha, Mula Bandha, Mula Bandha. But you haven't heard about the 4 other locks. So let's go over them real quick. There's the hand lock, Hasta Bandha. Foot lock, Pada Bandha. Lower back support lock is Uddiyana Bandha, belly button in and pull it up towards the heart. Our chin support lock, Jalandhara Bandha. It's like tucking up the chin down, protects your neck. So let's do the feet. I love the feet. We use this all the time in my classes. Turn the toes straight up to the ceiling. Press through the heels of your feet. Your lock is now engaged. Pada Bandha. Watch. All you have to do is rock your feet from side to side. Notice your knees are tracking with everything. You can feel it in your hip socket there. Now you can really feel it if you take the feet in and take them out. European windshield wipers. Now you can really feel that rotation in your hip. That's how Pada Bandha works. Same thing with your hands, same principle. Spread your fingers wide and you rotate all the way through your arm from fingertips to shoulder. You need this in all of your poses that are supporting your body. All the arm poses, down dog. Understand how to use these locks. The next locks we'll talk about is your neck, Jalandhara Bandha. So anytime you hear somebody giving you instructions in case there's going to be an accident in a plane or one of those kind of accidents, you want to tuck your chin. You want to round forward. Well, that's because this supports your neck. You're going to tuck your chin. This supports your neck and it takes the cervical curve out of your neck. Now, Uddiyana Bandha, I feel, is one of the most important locks and neglected to talk about often in classes. So that's your lower back support lock. This is what helps us with incontinence, for all kinds of issues with your back. Relax your butt muscles, pull your tummy in and up, and see it takes the curve, the over curvature out of your back. It opens the sacrum up so it distributes the weight evenly down each leg to support you. So relax it again. Pull the belly button in and up and feel that straighten the back. Mula Bandha. We've heard about that for years. The pelvic floor, the drawing upward from the pelvic floor.